From Gururam, Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear second class students, we will discuss about multiplication again from your workbook, volume 3, page number 25, second bit beta. Page number 25. Multiply the following numbers. Already we have learned in second standard level. Once again I am repeating, listen carefully. So let's place, tens place, ones place. 332 is multiplied with 3. Look at the blackboard, everybody. Write the given number column wise according to their places. This ones column, tens column, hundreds column. 3 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. Now we multiply the digits in ones place first. 2 is multiplied with 3, then you can read 3 tables. 3 2s are 6. 6 is a one digit number, then you can write directly ones column of the product. Next, we multiply the digits in tens place. 3 with 3, 3 3s are 9. 9 is a one digit, then you can write 9 in tens column of the product. Again, we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 3 with 3, then you can read 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Then you can write 9 in hundreds place of the product. Then product is equals to 996. Now next one is 344 into 2. 344, write in column wise according to their places. This is ones column, tens column, hundreds column. 4 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. First we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 4 with 2, then you can read 2 table, 2 4 is 8. Write down in ones column of the product. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 4 with 2, 2 4 is 8. 8 write down in tens column of the product. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 3 with 2, 2 3s are 6. 6 write down hundreds column of the product. Then product is equals to 688. Write down. Now next one beta. Hundreds, tens, ones. 189 into 1. This is very easy. Any number is multiplied by 1, you can get the same number. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 1 9s are 9. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 1 8s are 8. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place with 1 1 1s are 1. Product is equals to 180. Next 333 into 0. 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is always 0. Then 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 3. 0, then you can multiply the digits in hundred space. 3 with 0, 3 with 0, 0 3 is a 3. Product is equals to 0. Now next question. 522 into 4. This is very important. See here, write the given number in column wise according to their places. This is ones column, tens column, hundreds column. 2 is in one space, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 2 with 4, then you can read 4 table, 4 to the 8. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place. 2 with 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is a one digit number, then you can write 8 with tens column of the product. Then next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 5 with 4, 4 5s are 20. This is the last place of the given number. Okay, hundreds place, next there is no place. So you can write 20. Where we have to write 20? You can write hundreds column of the product. Then you can write it here. Then product is equals to 2088. Next, 716 into 6. First the given number, write in column wise according to their places. Now this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones column. 6 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place. Next we multiply the digits in ones place. So 6 with 6. Then you can read 6 table. 6 6 are 36. 36 is a 2-digit number. In it 6 is 32. 6 is taking and write down one's column of the product. Remaining 3 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place. 1 with 6. So then you can read 6 table. 6 ones are 6. Now previous carrying 3 is added to 6. 6 plus 3 you can get 9. 9 is a 1-digit number. There is no carrying. Then you can write 9 tens column of the product. Last we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 7 with 6. Then you can read 6 table. 6 7s are 42. See here. There is no carrying because this is the last column or last place of the given number. Then you can write 42 hundreds column of the product. Now product is equals to 4296. Into 7. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. So 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 2 with 7. 7 2s are 14. In it 4 is taking and write down in ones column of the product. Remaining one, that is carry. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 3 with 7. 7 3s are 21. So previous carrying 1 add, then add it. 1 is added to 21. 21 plus 1 you can get to 22. 22 is a 2-digit number. In it, 2 is taking and write down in tens column of the product and remaining 2, that is carrying. For carrying. This is the last. We multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 8 with 7. Then you can read 7 table. 7 8 is 56. Plus 2 is added to 56. 56 plus 2 you can get 58. See, look at the blackboard better. See, this is the last column of the given number and also last place of the given number and next place. Then you can write 58 where we have to write next column of the product. Okay. So product is equal to 5,854. 463 into 8. First the given number writing column wise according to their places. So 3 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, 4 is in 100's place. We multiply the digits 3 with 8 faster. 8 3s are 24. 24 is a 2-digit number. In it 4 is taking and write down 1's column of the product and remaining 2, that is carrying. Next we multiply the digits in 10's place. 6 with 8. You can read 8 table. 8 6 are 48. 2 is added to 48 because 2 is the previous carry. So 48 plus 2 you can get 50. In it 0 is taking write down in 10's column of the product and carrying 5 bit. Number 5, that is carrying. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 4 with 8. 8 4s are 32. But previous carrying having then 5 is added to 32. 32 plus 5 you can get 37. Then you can write 37 hundreds column of the product because this is the last place of the given number. So product is equal to 3,700. 112 into 9. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. We multiply the digits in 1's place first. 2 with 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 is a 2-digit number. In it 8 taking write down in 1's column. And carrying 1 beta. Next we multiply the digits in 10's place. 1 with 9. 9 1s are 9. 1 is added to 9 because this is the previous carry. 9 plus 1 you can get a 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. In it 0 is taking write down in 1/6 column of the product and carrying 10. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 1 with 9, again 9. 9 ones are 9. 1 is added to 9. 9 plus 1 you can get 10. Then you can write 10. Hundreds place of the product because this is the last place of the given. Then product is equals to 1008. into 2. So the given number 898 is multiplied by 2. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 8 with 2. 2 8 are 16. You need 16. Write down in ones column of the product. Remaining 1, that is carry. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 9 with 2. 2 9 are 18. 18 plus 1. 1 is previous carrying. 18 plus 1 you can get 19. 19 is a 2-digit number. Unit 9 taking write down in tens column of the product. Remaining 1, that is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 8 with 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 is added to 16. You can get 17 because 1 is the previous carrying. Now you can write 17. Where I have to write hundreds column of the product because this is the last place of the given number. Then product is equals to 1796. Next 146 into 5. First the given number write in column wise. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 6 with 5. 5 6 are 30. In it 0 is taken write down this column of the product and remaining 3, that is carry. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 4 with 5. 5 4s are 20. 3 is added to 20. 20 plus 3 you can get 23. Now here 3 taking and write down tens column of the product. Remaining 2, that is carry. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 1 with 5. Then you can get 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 2 is added to 5. 5 out plus 2. You can get 7. 7 write down in this column. Product is equals to 730. Next one beta. (246) into 4. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. This is ones column, tens column, hundreds column. 6 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 6 with 4. 4 6 are 24. In it 4 is taking, write down ones column of the product, remaining 2, that is carried. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. 4 with 4. 4 4 are 16. 2 is added to 16. 16 plus 2 you can get 18. Okay beta. 2 is the previous card. So then you can add to 16. 16 plus 2 you can get 18. 18 is a 2-digit number. In it 8 is taking, write down in tens column of the product, and remaining one, that is carrying it. Okay. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. 2 with 4. Then you can read 4 table. 4 2s are 8. 1 is added to 8 because 1 is the previous carry. Added to 8. 8 plus 1 you can get 9. 9 write down in hundreds column of the product. So product is equals to 984. Okay, better. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.